Look at the high retention on these videos. A hypnotic glow from the screen keeps millions watching clips made without a human face on camera. The interest often comes from personal relevance. When a viewer sees a list of traits they might possess, they tend to stay until the end to see where they fit in. We are going to build one of these videos from scratch, using only free AI tools. By combining specific storytelling patterns with a free workflow, you can start a channel in this niche without a starting budget. To find a topic, we look at what has already worked. This is more reliable than starting with a random guess. This interface shows a search for psychology shorts. Sorting by view count reveals which specific topics are actually reaching an audience. Look for recurring themes, such as personality traits, everyday human habits, or common social behaviors. Basing content on this data ensures you are entering a niche with a large, established viewership. Asking an AI for a script without specific instructions often produces a slow, generic introduction. Compare these two outputs. The left version uses a standard, skippable greeting. The right version starts with a direct observation about the viewer. We achieve this by breaking the prompt into 3 parts: a direct hook, a specific observation, and a concluding fact. Providing this structure to the AI forces it to prioritize the first few seconds of the video, where viewer drop-off is highest. The audio needs to sound natural. Default, flat, robotic voices can make a video feel impersonal and lead to lower watch time. Paste your ChatGPT script into a tool like ElevenLabs to generate the voiceover. In this drop-down menu, select a voice model like Brian. This model includes subtle vocal variations that sound more human. Realistic voices help the viewer focus on the information rather than the fact that the video is automated. The visuals in this niche are highly functional. You can use simple icons and line drawings instead of complex animations. Download clear icons from libraries like Flaticon or FreePic, corresponding to points in your script. Add an ambient track from Pixabay or the YouTube audio library to sit beneath the voice. High-performing videos in this space rely on clear organization and pacing rather than expensive production. To assemble the video, place your voiceover and music on the timeline in CapCut. Place your icons on the track above the audio. Each graphic should appear precisely when the voiceover mentions the related topic. Apply simple sliding animations to the graphics. Adding small movements helps maintain visual interest. Be careful with animations marked Pro. Using these on the free version prevents you from exporting the finished video without paying. Finally, select the auto-captions tool to generate text layers. This lets viewers follow the information even with their volume muted. This process turns raw, free assets into an organized video ready for a new YouTube channel. Here is the final result: a 60-second video with clear audio and synchronized visuals. This was created without a camera and without spending money on software. Psychology is a stable niche. These topics stay relevant because people are consistently interested in learning more about their own behavior. To see results from the algorithm, you need to publish consistently. Try creating 3 videos this week to establish your workflow and start reaching viewers.